Just relax. Huh? So I'm Dr. Sunil Richardson. So we have this pretty guy with us, a very nice patient of ours. Day 7, we're going to take off his splints today. He had a really deviated nose, was bent towards the side, a lot of osteotomy, septum work, tip work and everything. So let's see how this is going to be. I've just taken this off because that hurts for the patient a little bit. And now we're going to peel off the Steri-strip part. Okay, I'll probably take it out from this side. Okay. Just look down. And yeah, well, there's a lot of improvement. And there's still a lot of swelling here. Okay, and I'm going to mold it a little bit more for you. You can look in the mirror. I'll explain to you what's happening. It'll not look like it's 100% now, but because we are just going to mold this part a little bit. Okay, and you see this part is a little bit off the midline. So I'm going to just mold a little bit for you here. I just want you to have a look and then I'll mold it and I'll let you know. We will have a look again at it. Look from down. You see that's a little to the right side. Don't know if it was a problem with the splint or what. Okay, come here. We'll start. Okay, so we just removed the splint for this patient. I'm going to show you how we looked before. Okay, you can see that this nose was totally deviated. The tip was really bulbous. The dorsum was not having a straight line. No dorsal aesthetic line. Okay, you can also show some other view there. Yeah, you can see that view. How it's bulbous and gone totally towards the left side of his face. We've removed that bulbosity. And you can see a nice shape now. It's broad here. It's narrow here, it's broad here. So the nice dorsal aesthetic line is there, it's complete. We've got a nice sloping curve on both the sides that leads up to the dorsum. Haven't done too much with the tip, but still it's a little bit reduced from the pre-op. It was a closed rhinoplasty. And you can see the shape of the nose. And so this is early days for him because a lot of bony work. And I'm going to put him on splints again, especially Steri-strips. And those are going to stay for a couple of more days. Even longer is better. Maybe even 5 days is good enough. Show me that. Yeah, another one. So you can actually see both in your, just show it to him. Let him see in the mirror. Not like that. So he can see both his face and the pre-op on the mirror. You show it to him so that he can, he can see the mirror and see. Can you see both now? So you see this tip also, like I said, we've not made it really narrow, but it's definitely narrowed than earlier. And this is still lot of swelling. Okay, once the swelling goes.
This part?
No, this part. I have not done much for your base. Okay, the surgery is mainly here and here.
Okay.
And inside on the septum and on the tip. So here there's no swelling. We haven't done anything for the alar base for you at all. But for the tip, septum, dorsum, and both the sides, osteotomies and work here, lateral, medial, both osteotomies. So that's why that is like that. And if you see here, look at this pre-op and it's not projected there. Your nose is starting much lower, it's starting higher now. And then it's broad, just narrows and then again widens up. And this is a nice curve that comes from the eyebrow. You see that's not there now. It's breaking. A lot of issues, lot of changes. I think it's...
Yeah, it looks straight now.
Yeah, it's much better. So like I said, we're going to put the splint for you, the Steri-strips for you. Okay, in this position. Keep it for a few more days. 5 or 6 days later, we can take it off and then I think...
All these will go, right?
Everything will go. I'm going to take those off right now. No scar will be there.
How about this one? This looks a little bulgy, no?
So it will be little bit more, look in the mirror, it will be little bit more swollen here than here.
Okay.
It won't be same width there. This will be little bit more than this. See, that's when it looks nice, like a reverse triangle there.
Okay.
If it's narrow there all along, it won't look nice. It will be little, it's of course, now you see there's still swelling. You can feel that, right? You can feel it's still swelling, and you know, it can be there for a long time. So for total healing, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, even for you is fine.
So once the swelling is gone, then
It will come down.
A little more different. No?
It'll look a little bit more nicer, especially around the tip, and this will get more finer. Now still broad, so show that once more. Yeah, you can show the side views also maybe, or show the front view only. Yeah, let him just show another front view. Yeah, show that. That's a lot of improvement. That's nice actually, it's very nice now. And if you notice here, there was a depression there, right? And there was a small hump.
Yeah.
None of that will remain now because I've used auto spreader grafts and we've done dorsal onlay. So both of that will take care of that, okay? And then there's a bulge here, the whole nose is moved towards the left side. And that's why both the side osteotomy and bodily movement of the nose in the midline. Okay? All right, so I'm going to start applying the Steri strip now. Okay, fine, yeah, after you take pictures.